Guys, today we're having a new video of my slime.
And my other sister slime the twin.
Okay, so we're gonna be making some slime. So first of all, we need a container right there.
Okay, now we need some Elmer's glue. Elmer's glue. Do not use this glue because we just made a disaster. It did not work. Like, it did not. Oh yeah, and then you need some Tide. I just put my Tide in here, so I don't care. So,
Or you can use Gain.
Or I'll probably find a stuff thing to make it fluffy. Bye guys.
Okay, guys. So I put this down, and it gets really sticky. So, but by the way, we're gonna put the glue in. So I'll see you right now, and we'll probably add some color paint. I don't know.
Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry, I'm just eating an Oreo.
So we haven't added the glue, so do that right now.
Woo! I have a little bit of glue in here.
Should we add glitter? Little
Nah.
sparkle.
I'll see you guys when I have the glue in the container. Okay guys, I have it here.
You did not put a lot.
Huh?
Let's not make a lot. Let's add glitter, please.
Fine then.
What color?
I'll be back.
We'll put it out.
Okay guys, first I'm gonna add some gray.
Glitter. Paint. Yeah, paint.
Whoa,
Right here.
it's right there, bro.
With this one? This one?
No,
This
sorry
one?
guys. Just mix all of that together. Mix all of that together. I'll tell you when it's all mixed up. Okay guys, I have the gray. Okay, now I'm just gonna add some sparkly.
Sorry, guys.
Sparkly glitter. Wait. Sparkly gold
Glitter.
It looks like a gold, but it's so small. Okay, I added 2 scoops already in there. Put that back. Now we stir it all up. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, I went up to the next level and added some delicious green in
Why
it.
would you do that? You can't see the glitter now.
Well, it's okay. I didn't even want glitter in here.
Okay, now let's add
Okay, wait.
solution.
Oh, wait. Let me clean the sides for you guys so you guys can see the inside of it.
Right now we're gonna add the solution. The solution.
Oh yeah, guys, if you guys are new to this video, my channel, please subscribe. Give that a thumbs up. Whoever subscribes
And comment down below what video next of slime we should do.
Whoever subscribes first and clicks the like button, put your
Name down,
no,
and
no,
we'll give you
no.
and we'll give you a shout out.
Yeah, shout out either Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. Okay, guys? Or we'll give you, if you have a YouTube channel, we'll give a shout out to you. Whoever subscribes first and gives it a like button.
Yeah.
How about the 3 subscribers and likes?
Yeah.
Whoever does that first gets a shout out.
Shout out.
Shadow.
And then you can hear yourself on YouTube. Ooh, ooh. Like the mouth is opening and closed. What did he throw up there?
No. Maya, give it back.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Write the thing where you want me
put it
to
back.
do shout out. Like if you put like something like the name, please put like Twitter or Instagram or YouTube channel. Please put like please shout out me because I subscribed and liked this button. Please, please subscribe. I subscribe to this channel, so can you shout out me and then your channel on this, like YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook?
I'm a good subscriber
Twitter.
now because I want to shout out on my own.
Nope.
Not happening, right? Okay, so now we're gonna add the solution.
Wait. Okay, I have this cap here. I'm gonna add some solution. Okay, so I have.
You don't need to show.
Here it is. It's like. Okay. Wait, guys, sorry.
And by the way, you
Okay,
guys
put the light more higher. Okay.
comment down below if you want to hear her beatbox because it's amazing. Like seriously, amazing.
If you subscribe to this channel, just give me a hit, and I'll make a special beatboxing video for you guys. Okay, now I dumped that in, and now just stir.
Oh my.
Next video we should be let's do a challenge probably.
Maybe
Maybe
add some more solution if it's like not like getting
Yeah,
into
but
it.
what's
If it's
called
still sticky, add some more detergent.
in probably our next video we'll probably do it somewhere else at Dad's house because we only should be doing that at Dad's house because my mom doesn't like it when we do it here because like we leave kind of a mess, but at my dad's house we have to clean it up right away but we can still do it over there.
Well, she's talking about the slime.
Yeah.
That's a YouTube video. YouTube video that I can do it anywhere I want.
We don't like vlogging.
Guys, so this is how it's looking. Still sticky. Still sticky. So just keep on adding little by little the solution. Next challenge, actually guys,
Next video.
no, actually, next video, tell us, comment down below what challenge we should do, or like something, like anything. In about like 2 weeks, we're gonna give you guys a big card. Whoever subscribes first, we're gonna make a big card, like putting stuff in, and like who subscribes to this channel more, you guys will get a free. Make you like a poster and put down below what you like Starbucks gift card or anything.
Mom, where's my fidget spinner?
Yeah, but we had to find a way how to give it to you guys.
Oh, I know how.
How?
Huh?
How?
Oh, I'll tell you after this video. Okay. I'll tell you guys.
Maya.
You know it's not fair just shouting out people's Instagram pages. Like my sister, I'm not gonna shout out her
Maya, where's my fidget spinner?
her I don't know.
Oh, it's still there?
Her YouTube channel, because that's not fair, bruh. You gotta earn it, bruh. Just don't say it, okay?
Subscribe to Maya Lopez. Maya Lopez. Go do that right now, right now, right now, right now.
I don't even care. I just gonna let.
Did it flip over?
Yeah.
Like how?
I just let her do that right now, cause she like helped me with this video. So
Go
Even-
subscribe to Maya Lopez.
that's it. There's slime in your hair now.
Seriously?
Yeah. I put slime in her hair and
Yeah,
accident.
get it out.
I can't. This is all over me.
Mia. Mia.
See? Wait, let me get cleaned up by here, okay, guys?
Maya!
Bye. Oh, we can see the sparkles. Did you add more?
Hmm?
Did you add more sparkles?